In this lesson, let us discuss PHP if operator, if else and switch cases. Here I created one sample page and hosted under localhost PHP tutor folder to show you the demo how we are using PHP if for conditional checkings. This is the block where I started my PHP block, and the syntax of if condition for PHP: if, then bracket, then condition, what the condition like this, 5 greater than 3, then the code to execute, which code you need to execute inside for this condition, then close curly brace, starts with curly brace and closing with a curly brace. So here if else, see the page is currently showing blank. Let I am echo this have a good day. For 5, if 5 greater than 3, then I am printing have a good day. So let us see. See, here it is showing have a good day. Similarly, if I am in here, I am making it less than 5, less than 3, it is a false statement. It will not print this echo. Refresh it, it will not print. In this place, if I am putting else, then echo demo, then it will print demo. It is because it is a false. Let us see. Yeah, see, it is printing demo. So in this way if else works for PHP. Here using a PHP variable $u, I am storing an integer number 14, and by condition checking, while checking inside if, I am checking if the variable is less than 20, then print echo have a good day, or let us have print 20. So here is it is 14, the variable contains value 14, and I am showing the 14 is less than 20. That means the if condition is returns true. It means if I am refresh my browser, it will show 20. Let us see. See, this is 20. It means this is a valid one. This is the syntax. This is the syntax for if else. PHP comparison operators works for if else. For equal we use equal symbol. Just for like this, see, there is greater than, less than is there, which I used here, greater than, less than. Similarly, you can use equal comparator, identical comparator. Equal and identical comparator is the difference. Equal will compare the value only, when identical operator compare the value as well as data type. Not equal, another way of not equal, not identical, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. These are the operators, PHP operators, which you use with if condition. Like comparison operators, there are logical operators what we are also using in if condition. If, and inside the condition what when we are passing to the if. So the logical operators are AND, OR, XOR, NOT. So this is all about if condition and if else condition. Also one thing I need to tell you, if something, then else if another thing, if another thing, then else another thing. This can also possible in using PHP. Let us discuss. Here I discussed switch case with PHP with if condition. With if else is switch and if else are both which are equally used for conditional checking. Somewhere we are using switch case if it is a limited 4 to 5 things are there. At that time we are using switch case. 4 to 5 cases are there, 10 cases are there, that is switch case. But if you are 1000 or 100, more than 100 or 200 cases are there in a loop or in a iteration, at that time it is wise to use if else. So let us come to switch case. Switch case, the syntax of using switch case in PHP is switch, then expression, then case 1, case 2, case 3, and finally default. Using break keyword, we can break the execution of case 1 or case 2 or case 3, and default is the default one. Here here I am showing an example using fab color variable. I am storing red, a string character, then switch the variable name fab color, and case if this variable value is red, then I am printing the favorite color is red. If the case is blue, I am printing favorite color is blue. If the case is green, I am printing the favorite color is green, and default is this one. Let us save and refresh. Your favorite color is red. Here I am passing red. In this place of red, if I am passing blue, let us see in switch case working or not. If I am passing blue, then it will show blue. That means this line of code is getting executed. Similarly, for a variable with some value, you can use switch case. Here see $D, a PHP variable which contains the integer value 3. For this, using switch case, I am passing that variable $D, switch, then the $D, case 1, case 2, case 3. Here one more thing I need to show you about switch case. For multiple cases, for here 1 to 5, if this value is 3 here, but if it will from 1 to 5, case 1 to case 5 for value of this $D variable, it will print this one statement. And for case 6 and 0, it will print this. Let us check this is switch case, how it is functioning. Refresh. First we need to block this block of code. This we already tested. This week feels so long. See, this week feels so long. In place of 3, if I am passing 5, I will also get the same. This week feels so long. But if I am passing here 6 or 0, let us pass 6, I will get weekend at the best. Weekends are the best. So this is all about the use of switch and if else.